All right, guys, how you doing? This is Jeff here, your ACT tutor. I was just working through the ACT test C03. This is the December 2019 test, and I found a really neat problem that I can use to illustrate a concept called solving backwards or working backwards. Um, so I encourage you to give this problem a try right now, uh, and then afterwards we'll go through it together. All right, now the question reads, in the figure below, E is on CA, and the measures of angle BED and angle AEB are 90 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If it can be determined, what is the measure of angle CED? Now, when a question asks you for a very specific answer, like what is the measure of this angle, or what is X, or what is the solution to this equation, then we can use the strategy of working backwards. So the answer choices here, I'm going to label them because they represent the value of angle CED. Now, I'm just going to pretend like I know the answer. I'm going to pick a number in the middle, like C or B. I'm going to start with B, and I'll tell you why we started with a number in the middle. I'll tell you why in a moment. Now, if angle CED is 45 degrees, well, I know that I have a 90-degree angle here. So that means that BEC has to be 45 because these angles have to add up to 90 degrees. Now, I also see that I have this straight angle here, this straight angle CEA. Now this has to add up to 180 degrees, but if you actually do the math, which I hope you do because we're doing math here, 45 plus 145, what does that equal? Well, that's 190, which it's got to be 180. So answer choice B is not the right answer. Now, the reason we started in the middle is because we can figure out whether it's too big or too small. Now, if I make angle CED bigger, if I try, say, 55, that will make angle BEC smaller, which is exactly what I want because I need 190, I need that number to go down. So let's try answer choice C, because I know that it can't be answer choice A. It's too big. It's going to make the other angle too big. Now, let's use a different color here. Let's pretend that, let's pretend that angle CED is 55. Now, if I change that to 55, it means that angle BEC, well, they're going to have to add up to 90. So that's going to have to be 35. Now, if you add 35 and 145, you get what you're looking for, which is 180. So boom, I know the answer has to be C. Done. Well done, guys.